Next we talk with James Wollrab with Wollrab & Associates, a famed Boulder law firm.
Yeah, I'm Skip Wollrab. I've been an attorney in Boulder for over 30 years, and I represent people that have made bad choices or are victims.
First, let's talk about personal injuries, because you are a personal injury attorney and you handle all the cases yourself.
Yeah, if you've been injured in an accident, don't talk to the insurance adjusters. They'll call and try and tape record a conversation from you while you're in the hospital. You probably won't even remember the conversation a year later when we go to court. Everybody comes in, they've got a problem of some sort. And so I do a lot of consulting, just help people solve problems without going to court. I've had a lot of people ask me to do wills and trusts for them, and I will, but I won't do tax planning. But as far as writing a will that says you want this to go to your children, I can do that, and that's what will happen.
You ride motorcycles, and motorcycle accidents are really troublesome for a lot of people.
I'm a Harley driver, and I've been riding motorcycles since I was 18.
Good.
And I was hit by a car head-on when I was in college, and so I know why people get hit on motorcycles. And it's because drivers have a blind spot for motorcycles and bicycles. They don't see them. And if it was minimal amount, I just generally write a letter to the insurance company and say, give my client all the money. And so that way the client gets the money and he uses it for rehab and for being out of work.
You're also a well-known criminal defense attorney in Boulder, but what are the biggest crimes that people commit in Boulder?
Domestic violence and DUIs are probably 60 or 70% of all the criminal cases. I've done well over 1,000 DUI cases, and I recommend that people, they have my card. On the back of my card, it has your constitutional rights, and I recommend that you hand that to a police officer if you're stopped. It basically says, don't talk, just ask for a lawyer. The thing that people need to know is that the legal limit now has gone from 1.5% down to 0.05. I've got a public service that I'm going to provide for people that want to buy breathalyzers. Right. I found a distributor that will sell breathalyzers that will fit on your keychain.
You want to talk a little bit about marijuana? I know you handle a lot of marijuana cases in Boulder.
Well, I represent any type of people charged with crimes, and what everybody needs to remember is it's still a federal offense. So don't talk to anybody about the facts of your case. Call me as soon as it happens, and I will get an investigator to start collecting the evidence and witness statements and doing whatever's necessary to help you get the compensation you're entitled to.